Hey everyone, if you are a fan of Stardew Valley, you probably know there's something magical about cozy farming, building friendships, and discovering mysteries. But once you have done it all the Stardew, where do you go next? Today I'm going to share 15 other games that offer similar vibes, whether it's farming, life simulation, or just wholesome fun. Let's dive in. First up is my time at Portia. This game combines farming with crafting and exploring ancient ruins, all while you build your workshop and restore your father's legacy. It's a blend of RPG, crafting, and social instructions that's perfect for anyone who loves balancing relationships and adventure. Next, we have Animal Crossing New Horizons. You are placed on a desert island where you can fish, garden, and create a paradise with affordable animal villagers. There's no rush here. It's all about underwinding, customizing, and making a space of your own. For something a bit more classic, there's Harvest Moon, Friends of Mineral Town. This remake of the beloved farming sim has you raising animals, growing crops, and connecting with villagers. It's pure nostalgia with an updated look. For those looking for a heartfelt experience, Spiritfarer might just be the game you play as Stella, a Spiritfarer who helps guide spirits to the afterlife. While there's some farming and resource management, the game's focus is on building connections and saying goodbye. Ever wondered what Stardew Valley would be like with a morbid twist? Graveyard Keeper is all about running a medieval graveyard, but don't worry, there's still farming, crafting, and even a bit of dark humor in this one. In Smile Rancher, you get to explore an alien world and raise adorable, squishy smiles. While it's less about farming crops, there's still a similar satisfaction in nurturing creatures and discovering hidden secrets on the range. Oblates is a cute and quirky game where you grow creatures called oblates, complete in dance battles, and explore a colorful world. It's as charming as it is weird, and if you like Studio's cheerful art style, you will love this. If you love farming by day and adventuring by night, Moonlighter is perfect for you. You play as a shopkeeper who ventures into dungeons to gather loot and sell it in your store. It's an exciting blend of farming, fighting, and selling. Forager is a pixel art indie game where you gather resources, build, and expand. In Garden Pause, you play as a cute animal building up a farm and exploring an island full of friendly creatures. Littlewood takes place after the big adventure has already ended, and now you are building a town for people to live in. Yonder combines open world exploration with farming and crafting, all set in a beautiful fantasy world. It's low stress and has plenty of quests to keep you busy. If you are a fan of Stardew Valley and anime, Doraemon Story of Seasons is a wonderful crossover. Rune Factory 4 is perfect if you like mixing farming with combat. And finally, Cozy Grove is a beautiful life sim whether you help friendly ghosts on an island while camping and foraging. So, there you have it, 15 games that capture the magic of Stardew Valley in their own unique ways. Let me know in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more games recommendations. Happy farming!